Hey, what's up? I'm back with speaking lesson 17. So let's see what's in today's class. So at first we will do a quick review of speaking lesson 16. Then we will learn a few more names of new professions. After that we will learn one or two new pronouns. We will make sentences with those new words. And obviously at the end there will be homework. So let's do the review. The words were apni, which means you, that's a formal you. Tumi, that is informal you. Tui is the most informal form of you. Dakta is doctor. Shangbadik is journalist. Shikhok is teacher, male teacher. Shikhika is female teacher. Now here is a quick tip for you. As there are so many forms of you in Bangla, stick to apni only because apni is the safest pronoun. Okay, now let's move to speaking lesson 17. That's our today's lesson. So let's learn today's words. Police. So in Bangla, it's pretty close. We say pulish. Farmer is krishok. Male student, chhatro. Female student, chhatri. Now we need to learn the pronoun. That is tini. So you see, I have written she and also he. That means for both of these words, we have only one word in Bangla, that is tini. Yes, we do not have gender discrimination when it comes to pronoun. Tini pulish, it can mean she is a policewoman. It also can mean he is a policeman. Tini krishok means he is a farmer. Tini chhatro means he is a student. Tini chhatri, she is a student. Here, tini is clearly she because chhatri is a girl. Same here, chhatro will only be used with he because chhatro means male student. That's why he is a student. Tini chhatro. Now we will make sentences with the words we have just learned. She is a policewoman. In Bangla it will be tini ekjon pulish. If I say he is a policeman, then also the Bangla will be tini ekjon pulish. Then also the Bangla will be tini ekjon pulish. As we have learned in the previous lesson, this auxiliary verb remains implicit in Bangla and this article is optional. So this sentence was with article. Let's see how it will sound like and how it will look like without the article. Okay, so she is a policewoman. If we want to translate this sentence in Bangla, like she is a policewoman, it would be tini pulish in Bangla without article. If we want to say he is a policeman without article, it will sound the same, tini pulish. Okay, so what do we use tini? That is, tini is the word which means formal she or formal he. So what do we use that? In every formal speech, while talking about the elderly people, about our colleagues, in business correspondences, tini sounds formal, professional, and respectful. Let's move on to the second pronoun today. Okay, now let's move on to the second pronoun, that is she. What does it mean? It can mean she or it can mean he. You might ask, well, we have just learned the Bangla for she and he. That was tini, but that was the formal one. So look at the heading. This is again third person singular pronoun and the informal one. Okay, so that means tini is the honorific one, the formal one, and she is the informal one. And you might get confused about these spellings here. This SHE is the English word, and this SHE is the phonetic representation of this Bangla word, and this will be pronounced as she. This blue one is the Bangla word which should be pronounced as she. This is the informal she or he in Bangla. Okay, so what is the informal Bangla word for she? The informal Bangla word for she is she. Again, what is the informal Bangla word for he? The informal Bangla word for he is she. Same word. Again, we do not have any gender discrimination when it comes to third person singular pronoun. Let's make sentences. So, he is a student. For he, there is she, and for student, there is chhatro. So, I can say she chhatro, and if I want to use this optional article, then I might say she ekjon chhatro. So, what to use she? It can be used about friends, about close ones, about younger ones, and she sounds casual and informal. Now let's wrap up. Tini is the Bangla word for she or he, and tini is the formal she or he. She is the Bangla word for she or he, and it's the informal one. Polish is the Bangla word for police. Chhatro is the Bangla for male student. Chhatri is the Bangla for female student. Krishak is the Bangla for farmer. Okay, now here are 4 sentences in English. We will see how these sentences sound in Bangla without article and with article. Okay, so let's hear the differences. She is a policewoman. Tini polish without article. With article it will be tini ekjon polish. He is a farmer. Without article tini krishak. With article tini ekjon krishak. She is a student. Without article she chhatri. With article she ekjon chhatri. He is a student. She chhatro. That is without article. With article she ekjon chhatro. Let's see the homework. So this one you are supposed to translate it from English to Bengali. So you can just pause the video here, write it down and translate this. After that, just let me know your answers in the comment section. Exercise 2. For this, you will have to translate these Bengali sentences to English. That's all for today. So I will be back with the next lesson pretty soon. And before that, by that time, please keep practicing and do your homework. Let me know your answers in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Bye.